In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add menu in Mobirise. By the end, you'll know exactly how to sign in, open the block library, and drop a professional-looking navigation menu onto your page using Mobirise Online. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Mobirise Online login page. Using the web version is convenient because everything runs right in your browser, no installation needed. Give the page a moment to load so all the editor tools initialize properly. On the login screen, choose Sign In with Google. This is the quickest way to access your projects. If your browser is already logged into Google, you might get taken through automatically. If not, you'll see the standard Google prompt. Select the Google account you want to use and confirm any prompts to continue. It's always good practice to check that you're on the official Mobirise domain before proceeding. Once you're authenticated, Mobirise will open the editor with your workspace ready. Inside the editor, look for the plus icon. This is your gateway to blocks, the building units Mobirise uses for page sections like headers, menus, features, and footers. Click the plus icon to open the block panel, which slides in from the side. In the panel, find and click the Menu category. This filters the library to show navigation header layouts only. Menu blocks are designed to handle your logo or site name, navigation links, and optional elements like buttons or contact items, all in a responsive format. If you want to see additional layouts, click More Menu Blocks. This reveals a larger selection so you can compare different styles. Transparent headers for hero images, solid backgrounds for readability, left or center aligned layouts, sticky options, or menus with an action button. Take a second to scan the thumbnails and pick something that fits your site's tone and color scheme. When you've found a design you like, select it and place it on your workspace. You can either click to insert or drag it onto the page. You'll see a highlight showing where it will land. Menus typically sit at the top, so aim for the header position. After it's placed, you'll be able to adjust the logo, rename the menu items, and link them to your sections or pages right inside the editor. If you're planning for mobile, note that these blocks automatically convert to a hamburger menu on smaller screens, which keeps navigation clean and usable. And that's it. You signed in, opened the blocks panel, chose menu, expanded your choices, and dropped the perfect menu onto your page. Follow these steps anytime you need a fresh navigation style, and you'll keep your site polished and easy to navigate.